IELTS Writing Mentors, IELTS Writing Samples, analyses of IELTS Writing Task 1 and Task 2 tests on video. This is an analysis of an essay. My name is Kenneth and I'm the IELTS Writing Mentor. To get your own free IELTS Writing essay analysis, go to facebook.com/IELTS Writing Mentor. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to read the essay question and then the answer that the student has written. The IELTS essay question. Some people consider computers to be more of a hindrance than a help. Others believe that they have greatly increased human potential. How could computers be considered a hindrance? And this is the student's response. Note that the errors have been marked in red. I'm going to read the essay as the student has written so that you can hear the problems. In modern days, computer has occupied a significant position in our daily life. However, there is a considerable argument on whether its use is beneficial or obstructive to human progress. This is very absolute and widely accepted that, like every invention of science and technology, computers also have some serious drawbacks if it is misused, but its advantages always outweigh the disadvantages. First and foremost, while talking about its significance, computer greatly minimizes human effort by processing all data and information provided and showing result in quick manner with almost no mistake. Secondly, people can globally connect with each other nowadays by using internet in computer. For example, I can talk to and see my parents every day using Skype on my computer. That is how modern technology brings entire world in short grip of human being. Moreover, it has now been impossible for industries and multinational companies to monitor and operate their jobs without computers. In addition, modern education system is almost totally dependent on computer and its various applications, providing many facilities to students and learners. For instance, I personally prefer to study by downloading lessons from internet and read them on my laptop. It not only saves my time from going to private tuition, but also protects me from paying for them. In contrast, any individual or a society may badly be affected due to inappropriate use or overuse in some cases of computers. Undoubtedly, it, being an easiest substitute for human effort and efficiency, may cause many workers to lose their jobs. Furthermore, children may get addicted to computer games and other easy to use aspects of it if there is no control over such activities, thereby hampering their study and career. In conclusion, the use of computer should be correct and well mannered in order to make it a blessing for mankind, and by doing so it never impedes human potential. Now, the summary of the errors. There are at least 39 errors in this essay, as indicated above, and these errors include grammatical errors as well as the incorrect use of some words and phrases, and there are substantial problems with the misuse of commas. My commentary on the errors. Now, I'm not going to go into great detail here because we do not have the time, but you'll see by the number, the red numbers, that these indicate the error. So I'm just going to go through each of the paragraphs and indicate the type of error. In modern days, well, that's not a phrase that we currently use. That was used around about 50 years ago, I think. Computer needs to be computers, plural problem. Therefore, computers have. Significant position. Well, I wouldn't say significant position. It's not a computer doesn't occupy a position, it occupies a place. Considerable argument on. There is considerable argument about whether or not its use. Problem with the plural, their use. It's beneficial or obstructive. Beneficial or disadvantageous. This is a very absolute. Very and absolute. Absolute means very. Means complete. This is very absolute. So this is very, very. This is widely accepted. Or it is widely accepted that, like every invention of science technologies, computers also have some serious drawbacks if they are misused, but their advantages always outweigh the disadvantages. And the problem with this sentence here is that it's conclusionary, and you don't put a conclusionary sentence in your introduction. First and foremost, its significance, their importance. Now, significance, wrong use of the word significance. First and foremost, while talking about their importance, their value, their value. Computers greatly minimize, significantly minimize the need for human effort, significantly minimize human effort by processing data and information quickly and with virtually no mistake, or virtually no mistakes. Secondly, people can connect globally. Secondly, people can globally connect. Secondly, people can connect globally with each other nowadays by using computers connected to the internet. The internet is not in a computer. For example, I can talk to and see my parents every day using Skype on my computer. This is how modern technology brings the entire world into the grasp of human beings, within the grasp of human beings. This is how modern technology brings the entire world within the grasp, not short grip. Moreover, it is now, because it's current, it is now virtually impossible for industries and multinational companies to operate their businesses. People have jobs, companies and industries have businesses, and operate their businesses without using computers, without the use of computers, or without computers. Paragraph. In addition, the modern education system is almost totally dependent on computers, plural, and their various applications, providing many. Now, a facility is a place providing many tools for students and learners, or just for students. For instance, I personally prefer to study by downloading lessons from the internet, and that's the and then a capital I, internet, and read them on, for instance, I personally prefer, now here's the problem with the commas, for instance, I personally prefer, so there's no need for a comma there. I personally prefer to study by downloading lessons from the internet and reading and to read them. Download lessons from the internet to read them on my laptop. Full stop. This not only saves my time, comma, in that I do not need to go to a private tutor, comma, but it also saves me the expense of paying for a private tutor. Paragraph. In contrast, individuals and society may be negatively affected by the illegal or inappropriate use of computers. Full stop. Undoubtedly. Undoubtedly, comma, while they may be a substitute for human effort and be much more efficient, comma, they may also cause many workers to lose their jobs. Furthermore, children can get addicted to computer games, and I'm going to take out and other easy to use aspects because it doesn't make any sense. Get addicted to computer games if there is no control over such activities, this addiction will will impact negatively on their lives. In conclusion, the use of computers, plural, should be correct and well-mannered. Well, people are well-mannered, computers are not well-mannered, they're just machines. In conclusion, the use of computers should be appropriate in order to make them a blessing for mankind and if this is how they are used, they will not impede human potential, but in actual fact increase it. A special note here: the student did not answer the primary question in this essay. How could computers be considered a hindrance, which means a problem, an issue? So the student responded by talking about the positive use of computers and the negative use of computers. The question was, how could computers be considered a problem? That's where the focus of the essay needed to be. So, therefore, irrespective of their other grammatical issues, the student would have received a low score for this essay anyway. Now, if you want to see the corrected version in detail, where I do it step by step, go to IELTSwriting.vhx.tv. If you're looking for other IELTS writing resources, well, you can go to IELTSwriting.vhx.tv. You can go to my YouTube channel where I upload these videos, or my IELTS Writing Mentor blog, which is currently being constructed, or to my Facebook page, IELTS Writing Mentor. I hope this has been of some value to you.